Can I do a data screen share on yours, Rhonda?
Sure, sure.
Because this is just so cool. Like this, you guys, I've been doing this for what, 4 years now, and this still blows my mind. Share. Actually, hold on a second. Before I do this, I actually need to do something real quick. So I have been walking people or coaching people through the maintenance phase for a long time now. And every time like when I see that the calories go up and the weight goes down, it's just like, how does that make sense? Because if your weight only goes down if you're in a calorie deficit. But here's the thing, that is the surface level understanding, and it is true. It is true up until the point of when you flip your metabolism, and that is why the maintenance phase is so important. And this is just living proof of it. So, okay, I pulled your sheet up. Now I'm going to do a screen share on it. I have to come back. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay, I just want everyone to see this. For those of you who are not in maintenance yet, just take note of what is to come. Okay, so Rhonda, at the end of her 12 weeks, she was down to about 1,400 calories. An incredible weight loss. Look at that, negative, 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 right? So, boom, awesome. So we go into maintenance. What do? We increase calories. Why? Because when we lose weight in this 12-week phase, metabolism is naturally going to slow down. Whether you think it does or not, whether you feel it or not, it is happening. The only way that this can happen, only way that this number to this number can happen is through internal change, which means that there's stuff happening with your metabolism. So to make sure that this is maintained, right, long-term weight loss success, we have to make sure that we are protecting the metabolism and getting it to speed back up. So from the end, at the end of the cut, we intentionally remove ourselves from trying to lose weight, and we go into a maintenance mode where we increase calories to maintenance level, not a surplus, but a maintenance level, and allow your body to start making the switch to increasing metabolism. So Rhonda increased her calories, and she did a great job of hitting that. Look what happened with her weight. What? Are you kidding me? She did more calories and she lost almost 1.5 pounds. Like, what? Like, does that not blow your mind?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to rein this in. Okay, I get really excited about this stuff because the maintenance phase is just so fun. Like, you go through all of this work, you know, all of this time of just patience, consistency, trusting the process, trusting that we're leading you in the right direction, right? And then you get to this maintenance phase, and it's so cool and so fun. So we increased your calories, your weight's dropped. Now, what the heck do we do, Rhonda? What do we do now moving into this next week?
Increase our calories again.
And why?
Because I shouldn't be losing weight.
Yes, because the goal of maintenance is maintenance, not lose more weight, not see how much more weight we can lose, because that's not going to allow your body to start going through this process of recognizing this new weight and taking on a new normal. If you keep losing weight, your body is going to still be in deficit mode. We don't want that to happen. We want to be in maintenance mode. And it's going to be fun the more your calories go up and up and up and your weight stays down, right? Like, that's awesome. So yes, we're going to increase your calories. And how much increase to your calories are we going to do?